Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Carla, and if you are interested in learning about Navy Federal Credit Union More Rewards credit card, you are in the right place. This card is packed with a bunch of benefits, and in today's video I will break down everything you need to know whether you are looking or considering applying for this card or just want to maximize your reward. So let's dive in. Navy Federal More Rewards card is an American Express card. It's one of the top tier offerings from Navy Federal Credit Union. It's perfect for everyday spending, and the reward structure is incredibly generous. So whether you are a Navy Federal member or thinking about joining, this card could be a great addition to your wallet. Let's talk about some benefits. So you will earn 3x points on restaurants, food delivery, supermarkets, gas, and transit. You also will get 1 point on everything else. These points can redeem for cashback, travel, gift cards, and much more, making this card highly versatile for many things. Also, you can count with welcome bonus. So right now, as you can see in the screen right here, you can get a low intro APR for 12 months on balance transfer plus 30K bonus points. So when I was mentioned welcome bonus, that's what I was talking about. So you can earn 3,000 bonus point, which is about $300 value. And what you have to do is you have to spend at least $3,000 within 90 days that you get a proof of the card or open the account, and you can go from there. And another thing that is right now available is that you can, for a limited time, you can get one-time $98 statement credit for an annual Walmart membership. So that's something else that if you are one of those people that go a lot to Walmart and purchase your groceries or whatever you do, you can consider this too. So this is amazing. And also right here on the top, it say that transfer your balance within 60 days of opening the account. You could save with 1.99% APR for 12 months. This is an amazing benefit too. So let's say that you have another debt, and you have in another credit card, or yes, in another credit card. So let's say that the APR in that credit card may be 8%, 12%, 20%, who knows, depending on the product that you have. This is a great asset or great benefit that you can use, because you can just balance transfer your limit on this card to that debt, cover that debt, and you will be saving a lot of money on interest rate because you won't be paying the interest rate on this card. You're going to start paying just 1.99% of that total that you owe, which is a great benefit that you can consider. Another one is basically there are no annual fees for this card, no balance transfer fee, and no foreign transactions fees, which is great. Another one is a no cash advance fee. So this makes More Rewards card an excellent option for both domestic and international use. If you are those people that like to go on vacation, like myself, I used to go and visit my family back to Dominican Republic often, and I have used my card over there. So, and I don't have any issues with foreign transaction at all. So what I used to do is basically just let Navy Federal know that I'm going to be outside of the country or in my country or whatever I'm going to be. That way they are aware, and they don't think that it might be, that way they don't think that my car has been stolen or anything like that, or is a fraud. So you are covered with that notification. So to apply, you will need to be a Navy Federal member. If you are not already a member, I recommend setting up a checking and saving account with them to start building that relationship with them. Once you are in, you can pre-qualify for More Rewards card, which means you can see if you are eligible without a hard pull on your credit report. So this is another amazing things or tool that you can do on Navy Federal website. So if you decide to move forward after you pre-qualify and you get eligible for this card, Navy Federal will do a hard pull on your TransUnion credit report. So make sure your TransUnion profile is in good shape before applying. That way you have more odds or more probability to get approved, that you can get as higher limits as you want, and you can go from there. Now let's talk about data points and strategy for getting the most of this car. First one that I want to share with you is high limits. The more rewards credit card have a credit limit up to $50,000. Navy Federal is known for being generous with credit card limits. So if you have been responsible with your credit, you could be looking at a significant credit line with this card. So just keep this in mind. If you have a good credit profile, a good credit score, a good credit history, credit payment history, you can go from there. I mean, basically these are the main things. Also, something important is the credit utilization. I would suggest you to keep it 10% or below, and that way you have more probability to get a good deal with them in this car. The other one is a credit limit increase. So you can request credit limit increase every 91 to 100 days or a complete 3 billing cycle. Just keep in mind something, that if you request it over the phone, it will be a hard pull. However, many have reported if you request it online or through the app, which is my recommendation, do it through the app, it might only be a soft pull. So what I will suggest you is, after you get this 3 billing cycle completed, then you can request your credit limit increase through the app. I will suggest you to wait 100 days just to be on the safe side. That way the whole billing cycle are completed and you can go from there. But also you have to keep in mind that you need to be using your credit line So let's say that you have a $10,000 approved, but you don't use even $1,000 in monthly basis. They will consider that even though your profile is nice and neat, they might not approve you, not because of your credit report, but because they will understand that you don't need that credit line increase. So you have to keep your car your car utilization up and running, let's say that, or just keep using it as much as you can. Just use it. It's a cycle. Just use it, pay it off, and you can go from there. That way they see movement in your credit card statement or your credit card account, and they will approve you. Another thing that you can do also is product change strategy. So if you don't initially qualify for the more reward card when you did the pre-qualification, when you use the pre-qualification tool, consider starting with a different Navy Federal, like the Platinum or the Secure card, or whatever the pre-qualification tool give you as that you are eligible for. So after 100 days of responsible use and building your relationship with Navy Federal Credit Union, you can apply for the more reward card or request a product change. So just be aware really quick here. So depending on the product, they might have some rules or policy on when you can change your products. So maybe some products you can change it after 100 days, which basically is 3 months and a half. But there are other products that depend on the deal that you got. They might have some policy that you have to wait at least a year in order for you to have a product change. So just read the fine lines, do your homework, do your diligence. That way you are aware of what to do and when. Here are a few more tips for you. So one of them is use your credit card for everyday spending. I already mentioned this. It's like with 3x point on grocery, gas, and dining, this card is ideal for everyday spending or purchases, and you can use it for everything. So maximize your rewards by using it for all of your regular expenses. You can get the benefit of the rewards or the points, and you can also are working on your credit. Just be responsible to pay back, and that way they will see that you are using your credit card often and using your credit line, your credit limit, and pay it off responsibly. So whenever you decide to increase your credit line, then they will approve that. The second tip is pre-qualify before applying. This pre-qualification tool on Navy Federal is pretty accurate. So always use the pre-qualification tool or features to see if you are likely to get approved for the product that you want. And in this case, is what I'm talking about is the more rewards Navy Federal card. This can save you unnecessary hard inquiries on your credit if you have a goal or you are working on a purpose. The third tips is build your relationship. This is really, really important. Navy Federal values relationship banking. The more you use their products and services, the stronger your relationship will be with them. So this can lead you to a higher credit limits and better loans offered down the line whenever you need it or whenever you want it. And there you have it. That is all for today's video. Navy Federal More Rewards credit card is a fantastic option, especially if you are looking to earn high rewards on everyday spending without paying any fees. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. Make sure that you hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment below with your thoughts about this product or this credit card. Also, if you haven't already, I would like to invite you to my free VIP group. I will leave the link in the description box below. In this group, I'm gonna be talking about more tips and strategy on anything finance, personal credit, business credit, and much more. I hope to see you there. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.